Hello friends, today I will tell you how to make tplink router as a repeater to avoid long distance cables and to avoid the long Ethernet cables. So here we have our tplink router. Its IP address is 192.168.0.1 and the username and password is admin. First we will power on the router by pressing this black power button. After it's power on, we have to reset the router to its default settings. For this purpose, we will press this small black button for 10 to 15 seconds until all the green lights will blink together. So we have seen that these all lights have blinked together, so it means our router is reset to default settings. Now we will connect our router with the laptop by Ethernet cable. Insert the cable in the yellow port and the other end with the laptop. Now here we have our main internet source router, that is PARK123, and it's showing connected. So we have here our internet. We will confirm our source router. Type the IP address, that is 192.168.1.1. That is our main internet source router. Login ID is admin and the password is also admin. Sign in. And here we see that it's working okay. Now we will type the IP address of the tplink router, that was 0.1 and the main source was 1.1. So here the window is opened, tplink router. We see no internet access. Now we will configure it as a repeater. Login ID, after putting the login ID and password, that was admin. We have setting tabs on the left side. First of all, we will click the wireless tab and then wireless settings. And after that we have to enable the WDS bridging. You can rename your router repeater and then select your region. After enabling WDS bridging, then we will click on the survey, and here we will select our main source internet router, that was PARK123. Now we have seen that we have the same SSID, that is PARK123, and we have to put the same password also. Same SSID of wireless source router and the same password, and then click save and press OK. We have seen that the settings are okay now. After that we will click on the DHCP settings. Click the DHP settings and make it disable, then save and OK. After that we will go to the network settings and then LAN settings, and here we have to change the IP address. That must be 1.1, the same as the main source router, the main source internet router. Click save and OK, and then it will restart. Here the process is finished now. Now we see repeater is connected and we have also the internet access. That was all, friends. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.